Okay. Might pop in a little gift shop. Get a magnet. Gotta get a Landsidle travel magnet. Coke Zero.
Wow, it's just pretty.
It is very pretty. Yesterday I couldn't get the microphone to work on the camera. I think it's working today, and probably all we're going to hear is wind. Heavier winter coat today. Might be a bit colder than yesterday. Wind, glacier. Whew. Very cold for December. Nice spring day. Oh wow. Look at this view. Little amphibious boats. Apparently those they take out there in the summer. Break off the glacier there, float into the dune, and eventually get blown out under the bridge to the ocean. Our guide told us that sometime earlier this year, a tourist had parked their car and hadn't put the parking brake on well enough. And this brand new rented Range Rover went right down the lagoon and sank. Wow, I can lean into this wind. Hey, Rose! Stop the video.